Dear, this paper worked down by myself. I am Ramesh, Department of Mathematics in Government Women's College, Mandya, and also Dharmendra BN, Assistant Professor of Mathematics in PG Department of Mathematics, Marhani Science College for Women, Mysore. This paper title is Some New Modular Relations on Analogous to Ramanujan's Remarkable Product of Theta Functions. In the outline, abstract introductions, Ramanujan's theta functions, Ramanujan's remarkable product of theta functions, m, n, preliminary results, modular relation between. In this paper, we obtain several new modular relations between the ratios of Ramanujan quantity R of open interval 1, 2, 4 semicolon q divided by R of 1, 2, 4 semicolon q power 5 and R of 1, 2, 4 semicolon q power n divided by R of 1, 2, 4 semi q power 5 into n for n is equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7. Ramanujan's theta functions, Ramanujan's general theta functions 4 and 1, f of a comma b is defined by f of a comma b is equal to summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity a power n into n plus 1 by 2 into b power n into n minus 1 by 2, where mod ab less than 1. Then you take equation 1. That is equal to open interval minus a semicolon ab of infinity minus b semicolon ab of infinity ab semicolon ab of infinity. Ramanujan's theta functions, three special cases of f of ab are as follows. In the equation 2, p of q is equal to f of q comma q is equal to, we can write in the form of summation n is equal to minus infinity to infinity q power n square is equal to open interval minus q semicolon minus q of infinity divided by q semicolon minus q of infinity. For the equation 3, psi of q is equal to f of q comma q power 3 is equal to n is equal to 0 to infinity q power n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to open interval q square comma semicolon q square of infinity divided by q semicolon q square of infinity in the equation 3. Now in one more, results have f of minus q is equal to f of minus q comma minus q square is equal to n equal to minus infinity to infinity. Now q of n of 3n minus 1 by 2 you can write in the form of that is equal to q open interval q comma q of infinity. That's an equal where in the open interval a semicolon q is of infinity equal to phi n is equal to 0 to infinity 1 minus a into q power n, where mod q less than 1. In 2, 3, 4, Nikos Bagis define Ramanujan quantities R of a comma b comma p semicolon q as, but we define R of a comma b comma p semicolon q is equal to, you write in the form of q of q power minus of a minus b by 2 plus a square minus b square by 2 p, that into n is equal to 0 to infinity 1 minus q power a into q power np into 1 minus q power p minus a into q power np divided by 1 minus q power b into q power np of 1 minus q power p minus b of q power np, where a, b and p are positive relations such that a plus b less than p, and general theorem such that now q power b minus a divided by 1 minus a1 b1 plus a1 minus b1 into b1 minus of a1 minus q1 divided by 1 minus a1 into b1 into q1 square plus 1 plus etc etc. That can be written in the form of now n equal to 0 to infinity 1 minus q power a into q power np into 1 minus q power p minus a into q power np divided by n equal to 0 to infinity 1 minus q power b into q power np of 1 minus q power p minus b into q power np. It's an equation 3 where a1 is equal to q power a, b1 is equal to q power b, q1 equal to q power a plus b, small a equal to 2a plus 3p by 4, 2b plus p by 4 and p is equal to 4 of a plus b mod q less than 1 are proved. Recently, it's developed by or established the several modular equations of Ramanujan quantities r of 1, 2, 4 semicolon q and r of 1, 2, 4 semicolon q power n for n is equal to 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17, 19, 23 and 25. In recently, Mahesh Kumar, Dharmendra BN and Guru Prasad, they established some modular equations of traces of Ramanujan quantity r of q power n is equal to r of 1 to 1, 2, 4 semicolon q power n for n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9 and some of their evaluations. In the definitions, closed interval a comma p semicolon q is equal to open interval q power p minus a semicolon q power p of infinity q power a semicolon q power p of infinity. Now in the equation 7 where q is equal to e power minus pi into root r and a comma p comma r is greater than 0. And the one more definitions r of a comma b p comma q is equal to q power minus of a minus b by 2 plus a square minus b square divided by 2p into closed interval a comma p semicolon q divided by b comma p semicolon q in the equations 8. And the lemma, if x is equal to r of 1, 2, 4 semicolon q and y is equal to r of 1, 2, 4 semicolon q square, then x power 4 minus y square plus 4 into x power 4 into y power 4 is equal to 0. We'll take equation 9. In one more lemma, entry 25 into p for t, we have pi of psi of q into psi of minus q is equal to psi of q square into psi of minus q square. In the lemma, if p is equal to psi of q divided by q power 1 by 2 into psi of q power 5 and q is equal to psi of q square divided by q of psi of q into psi of q power 10, then p by q whole square plus q by p whole square plus 4 is equal to p square plus 5 by p square. In lemma, chapter 2, 25, entry 66, page 233, if p is equal to psi of q divided by q power 1 by 2 into psi of q power 5 and q is equal to psi of q divided by q power 3 by 2 into psi of q power 115, then pq plus 5 divided by pq is equal to minus of p by q whole square plus q by p whole square plus 3 of p by q plus q by p. It's an equation 12. One more lemma, if p is equal to psi of q divided by q power 1 by 2 psi of q power 5 and q is equal to psi of q power 4 divided by q square into psi of q power 10. Then you establish that p power 4 by q power 4 plus q power 4 by p power 4 plus 24 of p square by q square plus q square by p square plus 8 of that value is minus 20 of that sq square plus 5 by q square plus 120 plus 3 of p square plus 20 by 5 4 p power 4 minus 32 of p square plus 5 by p2 p square is equal to that values are equal to p power 4 of q square plus 3 by q square plus 5 divided by p power 4 of 3 into q square plus 25 divided by q square. In lemma, if p is equal to psi of q divided by q power 1 by 2 into psi of q power 5 and q is equal to psi of q power 5 divided by q power 5 by 2 into psi of q power 25, then qq divided by pq minus 5 into q square divided by p square minus 15q divided by p minus 5 of pq plus 5 divided by pq minus 5 of q square plus 5 divided by p square minus p square into q square plus 5 square divided by p square q square minus 15 equal to 0. That's an equation 4. Have one more lemma. If p is equal to psi of q into psi of q power 7 divided by q power 4 into psi of q power 5 minus into psi of q power 35 and q is equal to psi of minus q into psi of minus q power 35 divided by q power minus 3 into psi of minus q power 5 into psi of minus q power 7. That can be expressed in the as follows. In the theorem, if u is equal to r of q divided by r of q power 5 and v is equal to r of q square divided by r of q power 10, then we can write in the form of v plus 2 into v square plus vq of u power 4 plus minus v power 4 minus 1 minus 2 into v square of u square minus v plus 2 into v square minus u cube is equal to 0 in equation 16. In the proof of that theorems, employing the lemma 1 and 2 with a is equal to 1 and substitute b is equal to 2 and after taking p is equal to 4, then we get r of q is equal to r of 1 comma 2 comma 4 semicolon q is equal to q power 1 by 2 of q semicolon q power 4 of infinity q semicolon q power 4 of infinity all divided by q square semicolon q power 4 of infinity into q square semicolon q power 4 infinity. That have equation become a 4. Using these equation 2, 3 and 4, then above the equation can be written in the form of r of q is equal to, you can write q power 1 by 8 into f of minus q comma minus q cube divided by f of minus q square comma minus q square. Now is that can be written in the form of q power 1 by 2 into psi of minus q divided by psi of minus q square. Using the lemma 4, then we get the equation 18 can be expressed in the form of r of q is equal to q power 1 by 8 into psi of q square divided by psi of q that I have taken in the equation 19. By substituting the above equation in 19, then you get lemma 3 we get in the form of u power 4 into v etc and so that values become a 0. That is an equation 20. By examining the behavior of the above factors for q is equal to 0, we can find the neighborhood above the origin where the first factor is 0 whereas the other factor is not equal to 0 in this neighborhood. By the identity theorem, first factor vanishes identically, thus we obtain 16. Again, one more theorems. If u is equal to r of q divided by r of q power 5 and v is equal to r of q divided by r of q power 15, then simplify that when you will get in the equations, that is an equation 21, that all the values become a 0. To prove that theorems, to proving these theorems, employing the above equation 19 in the equation 12, we get 21. Again, one more theorems. If u is equal to r of q divided by r of q power 5 and v is equal to r of q power 4 divided by r of q power 20, then we get in the form of now these values that become a 0, that equation 22. Now these are the completed results that by phylography are as follows. Thank you.